Hello kids, today we are going to explore Indian Ocean. Warm waters, which is the warmest of Earth's five oceans. It is the Indian Ocean. Its temperature can reach 82 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 28 degrees Celsius. This makes it a great ocean for divers. The Red Sea is part of this ocean. It is home to the Blue Hole. Divers explore this area. It is more than 328 feet deep. The Indian Ocean is made up of salt water. It is surrounded by several continents. They are Asia, Africa, and Australia. From Africa, fresh water flows in from the Zambezi River Delta. Take a look. Indian Ocean surrounded by Asia, Africa, and Australia. Storms are common. Tropical cyclones form above warm water. They cause a lot of damage when they reach land. Underwater earthquakes cause tsunamis. These big waves also cause damage. Did you know climate change is warming Earth's oceans? The Indian Ocean is warming faster than any other. Storms are becoming more frequent. Unique landforms are along this ocean's coast. Cliffs, dunes, barrier islands, and estuaries are some. They help protect the coast from flooding. They provide habitats for wildlife too. Animals and plants. Shallow parts of this ocean are home to coral reefs, sea stars, crabs, fish and more live here. Madagascar is an island in this ocean. Many plants and animals that live here are found nowhere else. The ring-tailed lemur is one. The Sundarbans is a mangrove forest. It is on the coast of Bangladesh and India. Mangrove tree roots catch rocks, sand, and dirt. This helps prevent erosion. The roots also catch pollutants. This keeps them from reaching the ocean. Did you know mangrove forests are home to many animals? Birds eat fish and crabs. Bengal tigers hunt wild boar. Sea turtles and crocodiles swim the waters. Fish swim among the tree roots. Seagrass beds are in shallow water near the shores. Dugongs swim here. The grasses provide shelter for young fish and sea turtles. Did you know seagrasses need clear water to live? Why? This lets sunshine reach them. Exploring the seas. People may have explored the Indian Ocean more than 4,000 years ago. Today, people scuba dive. They visit sunken ships. The Persian Gulf is near the Middle East. This area of the Indian Ocean produces a lot of oil. Oil rigs drill for it. Why? It is under the ocean floor. Sometimes oil spills happen. These harm wildlife. Scientists also explore here. They study coral reefs. They study the deep sea too. How? They use remotely operated vehicles. These reach areas that are difficult for humans to get to. The Indian Ocean is full of life. What would you like to explore? Did you know the Indian Ocean's deepest point is in the Sunda Trench? The ocean floor is more than 4.6 miles deep here. Glossary. Barrier islands, long sandy islands near shore. Climate change, changes in Earth's weather and climate over time. Continents, the seven large land masses on Earth. Coral reefs, long lines of coral that lie in warm shallow waters. Delta, an area of land shaped like a triangle where a river enters the sea. Dunes, sand hills formed by wind or tides, earthquakes, sudden violent shaking of the earth that may cause damage, erosion, the wearing away of something by water or wind, estuaries, the wide parts of rivers where they join the ocean, habitats, Places where certain animals or plants are usually found. Landforms, natural features of land surfaces. Mangrove, a kind of tree that grows in dense forests along estuaries, in salt marshes, and along coast. Pollutants, substances that contaminate other substances. Shallow, not deep. Tropical cyclones, storms that form above warm waters and have very strong winds that rotate and cause damage. Trench, a long, narrow hole in the ocean floor. Thank you.